Dear students, today I have taken the topic from the writing skills from the expression écrite. It is part of the short writing skill, as you know that. Mettez le dialogue dans le bon ordre or remettez le dialogue dans l'ordre. It means putting the dialogue in the correct order. Okay, I have taken one example which I will be explaining to you, but a few important things I would like to tell in this. First thing is that if I'm taking this example, in whatever question you get in your exam, when you go through the reading, you have to first read it like we do it in the passage. Just give it a general reading. When we give it a general reading, you get an idea of the topic, of the theme of the dialogue. Okay, and then accordingly you have to start the dialogue. And then the other thing is that we have to give the correct beginning and correct ending to the dialogue. It is very important, and it has marks also. Okay, so first thing, when we read a dialogue, okay, we have to first, generally what happens that usually in most of the dialogues you will find the salutations. Salutations means greetings. Okay, like you meet somebody and you greet, and then at the end also you might find the same thing, that you are saying goodbye to somebody. So sometimes in very general dialogues they give you the greetings also, and sometimes the heading of the dialogue, the theme of the dialogue is already given. Okay, so you get an idea, but most of the time it will not be given. Like in this dialogue what I have taken, I have not given any heading to it, or I have not given any theme to it. So I will just read it. We will just try to read it first, give it general reading, then I'll be giving a close reading, and then we try and number it. We try and put it in the order. Okay, like let us just read the dialogue like this. The first dialogue which has been given, of course there is this dialogue, so there may be two people involved, or it is possible that there are three people also involved in the dialogue. We will read it and we'll get to know. First dialogue like this is written: Tu ne sais pas, c'est la fête de la musique. Don't you know that it is the music festival? Fête de la musique, we have learnt about the Fête de la musique, the music festival in France. Okay, Salut Paul. See here the greeting has been given. Salut Paul. So you may start the dialogue with this. Okay. Salut Paul. Then oui c'est le 21 juin. Oh yes, it is the 21st of June. Tu viens au concert ce soir? So you are coming to the concert this evening? Quel concert? Which concert? Oui, je joue du violon et mes amis chantent. Yes, I am playing the violin and my friends are singing. Est-ce que tu participes au concert? Are you participating in the concert? Salut Daniel. Hi Daniel. So if you see, you would have got to know, you must have got to know this in this dialogue. The theme is the music festival. So there are, I guess, what from my first reading only I got to know that there are two people talking to each other regarding what? Regarding the music festival, going to the music festival. So who are these two people? We can find out. The two people are Paul, and then in the last dialogue you can see Daniel. Okay, so for we have got our first two dialogues. So when you try to attempt in the exam, just don't write the answers like that. Just try and first do it, to take the back of the your sheet in the, or on the side of the sheet, answer sheet. You can just order them in rough, and then you may write the final answer. So here I can see that this could be our first dialogue, and then salut, salut Daniel, salut Paul, salut Daniel can be the second dialogue. Now what should be the third one? If I read, the third dialogue could be this: tu viens au concert ce soir? So one person is asking the other, are you coming to the concert in the evening? It could be our third dialogue. Okay, so we are numbering it like that. Then of course the question has been asked, so there has to be an answer. So the question, then answer is also a question: tu viens au concert soir? Then it could be quel concert? So the other person is asking which concert. Okay, and then after this what could be the answer? I think this should be the answer. Tu ne sais pas, c'est la fête de la musique. Don't you know that it is the music festival? It goes perfect with the fifth number. Okay, and yes, important thing before I move forward, you should count the dialogues also. How many dialogues have been given in this question? For example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dialogues have been given. So sometimes what happens that when we are writing and we are reordering them, we tend to forget how many dialogues are given. Sometimes we tend to miss any one or two dialogues in between. So for that thing you have to be very careful and you have to count the dialogues. Okay, so the fifth dialogue which we wrote was tu ne sepa se la fête de la musique, and what should be the next one? It should be the ah oui c'est la 21 juin. Oh yes, it is the 21st of, it should be the sixth dialogue. And then seventh should be, the other person is asking, est-ce que tu participes au concert? Are you participating in the concert? Should be the seventh one. And the last dialogue could be, oui, je joue du violon et mes amis chantent. That should be the last one. But now we have done it like this, we have numbered it. But I would always suggest, instead of just writing the numbers, what we can do, even like if we don't have the time, we don't want to write the whole dialogue, full lines, what we can do is we can just write the beginning lines. Like these are the very small dialogues, like Salut Paul, it can be written as it is. For example, the first I can write Salut Paul. These are very small, you can write the full. Then second one you can write the number like this, Salut Daniel. And after that what you can do is, instead of writing the full dialogue, if you think it is it is taking too much of time to write the whole dialogue again, then what you can do, like the third dialogue is tu viens au concert, so you can just start with this the first two words or three words, and then you can just put a dot and write the end word like this. You don't have to write the full sentence. So the teacher will also be very clear that what dialogue you have put on the third number. Then on the fourth one, like quel concert, this is also a very small dialogue, you can write the full one. And then on the fifth number you have to write tu ne sais pas, so you can just start with tu ne and then put this dot, and the last word you have to mention like this. And then next is ah, this is very much understood. Then last one you can write this. And then seventh dialogue is this one, est-ce que tu participes, so you can just start with est-ce que and then put this, and then you can write like this, concert. And then the last eighth one should be we, starting with we and then ending with shows. So there has to be a clarity. Sometimes students they number the dialogues, sometimes they number the dialogue, but it becomes very confusing for the teacher who is correcting the paper, right? Or they just write the one word. So it is very important that you properly, first you do it in the rough, and before writing the final answer you should keep on reading the dialogue again and again, and then you give the final answer. And when you're writing the answer, don't just write the numbers or the alphabet which has been given. Sometimes, like in this dialogue, I did not give any number, so it is very much clear that you cannot write numbers here. So it means that you have to write the full dialogue. So in full dialogue also I told you the technique in which you can just write the first word and you can miss the between the internal part, and then you can just write the end word with it. Okay, so if you follow all these steps, it will be very easy for you to attempt this expression écrite, mettez le dialogue dans la bon ordre. So just follow these steps and I'll be giving you a sheet and try and do that sheet. Thank you.